we entered the new month. So happy new month to everyone. So you're gonna start analyzing with your USD. So first we're gonna check the H4 time frame. So H4, we had a bullish run from these ends. As you know, we tapped into a weekly demand and we chopped on H4. So we had to buy. So we have been buying Euro USD ever since. So we tapped into the supply and reacted off it, which was a strong one. But then we broken it, and here is the demand which broke it. But this one was also broken, hence coming to this extreme. So we have this one, and this is the one which is going to be holding. As you can see, it's holding. Actually, you have a reaction of it. So this move happened in Asian. We were sleeping, we didn't catch it. Yeah. So we have this also has broken. So I guess this retracement is enough for another bullish move. So what we're going to be checking is M15 to see if we have any entry possibilities. You're going to be buying. So you have this bullish run, and we had something like a choke. So we are waiting for price to come and mitigate these zones. So you have two zones, but then we created another range. When we broke this high, this is another range, so we might also consider this one too. So these are the three zones where I'll be waiting to buy Euro USD, and this is M15. So we are waiting for this one and this one for us to buy. Let me drop chat in the group, and remember, I always drop these chats to the main group for free, but then the VIP room is like for that extra content, like the entries, when to enter and not when to enter. Then maybe other pairs like gold and, but yeah, I always send these chats for free in the group. So if you follow them, then you must be making some money. So that's Euro USD. So our next pair will be GBP USD, then US30, and gold too. Yeah, we're gonna analyze gold too. So a moment. Yeah, just give me like 2 minutes. Let me first come. Let me come back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. So we are looking at GBP USD H4. Remember, these two pairs correlate somehow most of the time. So with GBP, you have this too. It's bullish on the H4. H4 has been bullish since it's like 2 weeks now. Mm, so we have this. We have in the by the way we have this. This is a daily supply. This is a daily supply. And with GBP USD reacting off it, we didn't get anything like choke on the H4. But yeah, we have a bearish range. We have this bearish range on the H4. We have this supply. So I'll be waiting for the supply to be tagged in for me to sell. But right now, I'm looking for buys. So I'll check with M15. To see if I can get anything like a buy setup. So right here we also had choke on it's choke on the M15. We have our supply. This trade already tagged us in, and yeah, we've missed it. Missed it. Something like 70 pips already. Yeah, we have missed it. It happened during Asian, I guess. It was last year. Happened during Asian. So we created another range, and this is the supply we have, and also this is how to buy wicks. Just mark this whole zone. Now wait for price to tag me in. Get anything like chalk and I will buy. So with GBP USD, we are buying. Let me add an alert. So that's it for GBP USD. We're gonna be checking. Oh, let me drop the chat. Let me drop the chat in the group. GBP USD M15. So let me look at gold. So gold we have, this is a downtrend. So checking H4. Okay, gold, we had this liquidity, we sold, came back to our zone, but missed this trade. Actually, it happened last week. Missed this trade. It was a buy. It was a nice buy because we have been waiting for this zone to get tagged in. So ever since price was still beside, but that's it. We're gonna be waiting for another setup. So as you can see here, price came back to hand this low. Then we broke it, creating a bearish range, H4 bearish range. So I'm going to be deleting this and marking this supply. So we mark the supply. We are expecting price to come back and mitigate these orders. So, but still we have this zone down. So, and I don't know, we might come, we might first come the upside, like we might come up to liquidate these ones, these people who are selling. As you can see, we have selling orders here, and come back down to also liquidate these ones, tag us here, and then up. So this is what I'm talking about. Something like that. You never know. It might work out, it might not. With just trade using probabilities. But because USD and BPUSD, we're anticipating buys, so we should also anticipate buys on gold, although at times they don't correlate. But then when both USD, BPUSD, and US30 are going into the same direction, gold will go into the same direction as well. So let me drop this two in the chat and the group. I remember ZAG USD. We was analyzing it some time back. There's some lady from Nigeria who asked for it for a setup. I don't know if she's still here, but I'll search her up. USD. So I still just you about silver and this lady. So we analyzed it when price was still here. I remember we analyzed this silver when price was still here, and I was like, it's gonna sell from this, but then they broke it. They didn't give us any confirmation. It just broke this zone and it continued up. So after clearing all these out, creating a new bullish range and leaving all this liquidity, and yeah, we had this one. So I decided to mark these zones up. We had this first one, it wasn't triggered, and then it acted as liquidity for this down one. So with this down one, we came in, tapped into it, and started bouncing back up. Let me see how many pips. 1,600, something like 1,600 pips on this on silver. So yeah, I missed the setup too because I wasn't following it up. But if there was anyone who followed it up, then that's great for you. I'll look for a chat when I'm not busy. Okay, who you should mute your microphone, sir. This is US that. So US 30. Yeah, I've been trading it from ever since this. I don't know. This was August. Yeah, ever since July. We started trading it from July, and as you can see, our mappings it respects our structure. So we mapped this zone, and then price came back, reacted off it, and bounced down. Though because this was a bullish and strong bullish order flow with an edge for choke off, and then price bouncing off this weekly zone demand. These were all weak because this is a strong demand. So US that is still going up. And what hurts me is that I don't have any swing position here, but I anticipated it before that it's going to be buying long term the same way I anticipated for silver, but silver is still. So we have this extreme. It's not yet tagged in. We are waiting for it to tag in so that we could maybe sell. But right now, if you're looking at buys, we have this zone which was broken, and then we have sell to buy wicks around this area. We have sell to buy wicks, which is like a zone 2. It's a demand zone. So with US 30, I'll wait for this zone to be tagged in. And yeah, NFP, I don't know. With NFP, we might see a big push to the downside to liquidate all these buyers before we go up. So if I let me check 15. Or 15 minutes. 15 minutes doesn't look good. Yeah, it doesn't. We have this new M15 range created, but then zone. This is some weird price action, which we have a zone here, so can be waiting for it. So let's use 30H4. That's what I'm anticipating. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If anyone has a question, you might raise your hand up and ask. Does anyone have any question to ask?
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
What is your update on GBP USD?
The what?
What is your update on GBP USD?
GBP USD.
Yeah.
Yeah, I already dropped the chat in the group. You can check it out. It's going to be buying in that zone which I marked.
Then what about gold?
Gold H4. When you check H4, we have a demand zone down and then the supply zone up. And then, as I said, if GBP USD and Euro USD is buying, then gold is going to be buying too.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Good morning, guys. I wanted
Yes.
to ask. So,
Yeah.
how can someone simulate their own job?
The what?
How can one formulate their own, like umuntu okutegera engeri gy'anaagikolamu eyiye? Because I've tried it a couple of times and I failed.
Oh, you're asking about chalk?
Yes.
Chalk. So chalk. This is just changing character or changing trend, but it's explained when we clear out the highs and lows of a structure. Let's say if you want to buy and then we clear out the sellers first. No, we clear out the buyers, early buyers first, and then the sellers too. So that's something like, let me illustrate it.
Okay, thank you.
US30 now.
Hello, Justin.
Yes, hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. So US30 is buying long term.
Yeah, but we missed to catch the buys, so we will wait for NFP maybe to bring price back down to liquidate some people for us to again place some swing buys.
Do we believe in trend lines?
Yeah. We do believe in trend lines.
Because I don't know, but if you look at the daily,
Mm,
I don't know if I'm right, but I see an order block and a trend line meeting at that point, which can trigger a long term sell.
long term sell, bullish chop. Let me check and see.
Okay.
So, Emma, this is a bullish chalk. As you can see here, these people sold and took out these buyers. We had early buyers right here. So price liquidated them, and then these buyers again came back up to pull these ones out of the market. So any zone here, any demand zone here is what we use to enter for our entries. Yeah. Hope you have clearly understood it. You go and research more about it on YouTube so that you can get the bearish chop too. So let us check the daily US30 and see. So this is the supply, the daily supply you are talking about. This one. And then
Yeah.
US30 respects trend lines a lot, as you can see here. It has been respecting it, so it might again bounce back down. That's why I was like, NFP is going to be pushing down to liquidate all these ones. So, but I can't call it a long-term sell because we have some demands on here. It was a weekly demand, but if you can refine it on the daily, you can also do it. Yeah, if you have this, and then if it fails, we wait for this, but it's going to be yeah, it can be it can sell for like a week or two after this. We never know. But yeah, we are going to be selling US30. We're going to be selling it. But you can also break this line. Yeah, it can break it. But let's wait and see.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. I've recorded the call in case you missed. You can download the video. Bye.